This video will show you how, as a contractor, you can mark a job as complete on Fixflo, both on the app and on the web. Once you have completed the works at a property, it is important that you log onto Fixflo and mark the job as complete. By doing this, you'll be notifying the agent that the works are now completed, allowing them to make payment. Let's start by looking at doing this on the Contractor app. When you log into the app, you'll be able to see your jobs which are awaiting completion. You can click into these jobs and then click on Mark as Complete on the job which you have recently finished. You will need to add the job completion date. This will automatically pull through as the appointment date if you have set one, but this can be changed at this stage. Some agents may have made the job duration mandatory. If this is the case, then you will need to add this here. You can provide feedback to the agent if you wish, along with any completion files, documents, or photos here. Depending on your agency's setting, you may be asked if you would like to provide costs or not. Some agents have amended their settings to say that all contractors must provide costs for each and every job, which is marked as complete. If that is the case, then you will need to provide your costs on the next screen once you have selected your invoice method. You will need to select your preferred invoice method from the drop-down available. Please note that agents have the option of selecting certain invoice methods on their Fixflo system, so you may find that the options shown on the screen to you now may vary slightly. Once you are happy with your selection, then simply click on Mark as Complete. You would then need to add any costs or invoices, depending on the selection that you made. You can find out how to upload invoices, create invoices, and email your invoices on other videos available on the Contractor help site. If you are doing this on the web, then the process is more or less the same. You will need to log into Fixflo on your device. Once you have logged in and selected a job which is awaiting job completion, then you will simply click on Mark as Complete. The same fields will be available which were shown on the app, and once everything has been filled out, then simply click on Mark as Complete. You will then be asked to submit or create an invoice if you selected to do this on the previous screen. Thank you for watching.